Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, October 28th, and this is my PM recap for the Euro US dollar, and we're on the 1 hour time frame. So the Euro dollar made a pretty good little push down today, but if you were following along with the higher time frames, you would have seen that there was no break of structure, or at least it didn't hold below structure, and that this was a nice little three-way pullback. This morning I was recommending long, so hopefully somebody did get long there, and I would still be recommending longs. Now, we have FOMC interest rate news coming out tomorrow, and I will be live streaming for that news event, so definitely make sure you stop in if you'd like to see that on YouTube. But I would still be recommending longs unless we get a break of structure to the downside at one of these two Fibonacci levels. If we get a break of structure to the downside at one of those two Fibonacci levels, then we would stop looking for longs and start looking for shorts again. My most recent structure now is way down here, so if it breaks below there, then I would look for pullback entries to go short. Anything I see to the downside, as long as it doesn't break that low right there, I would look at as nothing more than likely a pullback within an uptrend. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website, linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.